Somebody get me a new car. That'll do.
You the guy that ordered the blue car, man?
Yeah, that's me. I'll give you 5 stars. That went really, really well. To be honest, I thought it was going to be way more sketchy. That wasn't bad at all. So we're going to try this one more time. That was still sick though. Dude, I have no idea what even happened. All I saw was the back of the dash. Oh no! Oh shit. It stuffed through one of the spokes of the wheel. How'd we do? Oh, did good on the Ranger. I think we did well. Oh no, the Ranger's upside down. Well, I just gotta say, guys, good job on building the cone. I actually feel safe with it. Now it's time to start getting all the stuff ready for the big thing that we want to do with this thing.